Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is UAE says air defenses intercepted hundreds of missiles and drones since February 28 amid regional escalation. The United Arab Emirates said its air defense systems have intercepted hundreds of incoming threats since the escalation of regional hostilities on February 28. The Ministry of Defense reported that forces recently engaged 3 ballistic missiles and 8 drones launched from Iran. According to the ministry, UAE air defenses have dealt with a total of 341 ballistic missiles, 15 cruise missiles and 1,748 drones since the start of what it described as blatant Iranian attacks. The figures reflect sustained activity targeting the country and the wider region. The ministry said the attacks have resulted in casualties among both military personnel and civilians. 2 members of the armed forces and 6 civilians have been killed, while 160 others have been injured. Officials stated that defensive operations remain ongoing as the security situation continues to evolve. The ministry emphasized its readiness to respond to further threats. It said it remains fully prepared and ready to deal with any threats, and will firmly confront any attempts to undermine state security in a manner that ensures the protection of its sovereignty, security and stability, and safeguards its national interests and capabilities. The escalation follows US and Israeli strikes on Iran that began on February 28, prompting retaliatory actions by Tehran. Iranian forces have since conducted repeated missile and drone attacks targeting Israel and Gulf countries hosting US military assets. The UAE said its air defense systems continue to operate to counter these threats and protect national infrastructure. Authorities did not provide further operational details but indicated that defensive measures remain in place. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.